how to improve image size in Fotor. So first you go to your account, and then for example this is your image, right? So what you need to do is just click on the adjust here at the left side. Okay, now it would look like this. Now after that you can just click on AI upscaler here. Now let's wait for it to finish. Okay, now it's at 68. Okay, it takes a bit of time sometimes. Now you can see the before and after. Okay, now before it looks like this. Now if you want to see the after, you can see that it changed. Okay, now it looks better. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for videos like this. See you in the next one.